Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on the WeCash application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeCash application on your device and then log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, you can participate in various different activities to earn your rewards. But if you don't wish to use the application anymore, then make sure you first withdraw all of your rewards by tapping on your total reward at the top right corner. Then you can use either one of the payout methods to withdraw your balance. And once you have withdrawn all of your balance, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then within the My Profile page, you will see the Delete Account option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. And you will also be given a warning that all of your tokens, your rewards, and everything that you have accumulated will also be deleted, and this can never be restored. So if you have decided to delete your account, then tap on the Delete My Account red button, and after you provide your confirmation, your account will be deleted and you will be logged out from the application. After this, there is no option to recover your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the WeCash app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.